Hello medicos, so welcome back to our channel Med Learner, and in this video we're gonna see which book you should prefer for your first year BVSC course. So basically we have three subjects in first year, that is veterinary anatomy, veterinary physiology and livestock production and management. So for veterinary anatomy you should go for RK Ghosh. Since the language used in the RK Ghosh is quite easy to understand, it includes the diagrams and the pictures which are self-explanatory, and it also includes the comparative studies. So I recommend you to read the systematic and general anatomy from this. And the second part of this book is histology and embryology, which again includes the histological slides diagram. And so embryology is also given in the precise way in the second part. So I recommend you to read only and only RK Ghosh for your veterinary anatomy. Talking about veterinary physiology, I recommend you to study the Duke's Physiology 13th edition, since physiology is a conceptual based subject and you have to build the concept. And the Duke's Physiology explains all the concepts, and by the time you reading this book you find कि इसमें काफ़ी सारा कुछ लिखा हुआ है, so you have to find out कि कितना आपको पढ़ना है. Otherwise, this book is very much recommended to understand and to build your concepts. Along with your Duke's Physiology, you also be needing the Samulingam book for the lactation chapter and for the blood and the nervous system, because in Duke's Physiology these three chapters are explained with so much of detail, and it is given very precisely in the Samulingam. The new edition is 10th edition, and in library we usually get the 5th edition of Samulingam. Students also studies the Guyton and Hall book. It's totally optional for you to study. If you have done the Dukes and the Sambulingam, then if you want, you can also read this textbook. But I will not recommend you to study. Like you don't have so much of time, because you also needing the time for the revision. For the LPM, I recommend you to study the Basan Vyas. Since Basan Vyas includes the topic according to your syllabus, all the topics are given in the sequence. Since this book includes the colorful images of all the breeds of cattle, buffalo, sheep, and goat, and it also includes the objective questions, fill in the blanks, and some previous year papers are given in this book at the last. And most importantly, it having the list of all the practical related things like spotting is given in this book. So I recommend you to thoroughly study this. You can also study the Thomas Astri, but as I've mentioned, the colorful images are not given, and the spotting list is also not given, and some PYQs and everything is not given in the Thomas Astri. So if you are buying, then you should be buying the Basant Bias. And for the study of second chapter, that is feed and fodder, you should be studying this from the Rana Ranjit Singh, because feed and fodder is not explained very much in Basant Bias and the Thomas Astri. So that's all for now. You can subscribe the channel for all the related lectures and videos, and thank you so much. Have a great day.